Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, we're going to be reviewing all the superstitious items that are obtainable in the Miner's Haven reincarnation. I'm not doing the Pandora's box because the requirements for it are like really annoying to get, but the Pandora's box, it's really bad. According to the wiki, the Pandora's box is a cell furnace that does times 1,000 to 5,000. And apparently it only works when you have under 5 ores on your base. So there you go guys, there's stats for that. It's really bad. Don't get it. But yeah, so let's test them. The first one is the Hadean Mine. The Hadean Mine it's a pretty good mine. I'm not gonna use it, but it is definitely good. It is worth more than the Gargantua Mine. It's low to high SX, but the drop rate is kind of slow. The ores are kind of dense, but and it does not work in cells. Just try the nature script. Does not work in cells, which I'm not a huge fan of it. The next item, the Elysium Solemnity. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this item is a times 200,000 furnace. You guys are probably thinking that is great, and it is great, but it has one drawback. It does not work with the void drive. So if you're using the void at the end of your setup going into this, it will not work. But there is an alternative to void drive, kind of, which is going to be the next item, the Daystrophe. I don't know how you pronounce it, don't judge me. Which this is another Tesla resetter, but the ores are only alive for 10 seconds. The way I use it in my setup is I have it going through this, then right after the ore illuminator, then the void drive, and then a blaster line. But I do have some side upgraders. For example, the what is the UFO? I have some of these, and I have a few other side upgraders, Cupid's arrow, where you can add just to get an extra little multiplier. But this is a third Tesla. The ores survive 10 seconds after it goes through this, so you have to use it before. There's no way to get rid of that effect besides sending the ores in the furnace, that we know of at least. But yeah, this is a very good item, and I'll definitely recommend going for this. I'm not going to be showing which catalyst it goes for which one, just because I don't remember. But actually, basically, in order to get a superstitious, you need to get the True Book of Knowledge, which you find in a cave, and then you'll talk to an NPC. I'm sure you guys can find it if you look it up. You go to here, you pick any one of these, and it'll be one of these catalysts. For example, Void, Daigle, which will be the, actually, I don't know, Drayden will be Drayden's Gauntlet over there. You basically reborn with the book and these 5 items on your base, and you'll have a 30% chance to get the catalyst. Once you get this, you go talk to that NPC, and then you'll be able to craft it. But yeah, this is a third Tesla. The next one, the Delta Phantom. This one, it looks really cool. It's not very good. Basically, what it does is it collects ores. See, it just takes them. And this will become brighter, which it does look very awesome, not gonna lie. But then once you get 50 ores, they all come out at the same time, and they're multiplied by 25. Oh. It shouldn't be doing that, I was just lagging or something. There, times 50, or all times 25. So it's literally times 25, and it takes the ores a long time to go through. So this one is not very good. I wouldn't recommend getting it. Can I move this furnace? I've been having trouble like placing stuff in this new update, which is kind of weird. But okay, the next one, the Optic Origin. This one, guys, please do not get this item, guys. This item is so bad. Let's test it real quick. Okay, you guys are probably thinking, times 100, that's pretty cool. Oh guys, what if I were to tell you, at nighttime, if any ores go through this, they get reset to 0. That's true, guys. At nighttime, seems like we're about to hit night soon, the ores will be reset to $0. Let's test the next one. Basically, the Drayden's Gauntlet. This one is pretty good. It works similarly to the Ore Illuminator. Basically, what it does is you'll send an ore through, and it can't be upgraded for about 8 seconds by any other upgraders, or it will be destroyed. But during those 8 seconds, it'll slowly upgrade rapidly, and it upgrades this. It's a 2,865 multiplier. I'll show you guys. Let's get a basic furnace. It's already being multiplied by about 200 to 300 times. But if we extend it, there we go, guys. Look at that multiplier. Up. Well, yeah, guys. So let's take a look at this now, guys. 0. It resets ore value to 0 afterwards, which is really bad. But yeah, guys, that is all the superstitious that we can get now besides Pandora's box, because that is bad and the requirements are really weird. I forget which one it was. It was this one. I need Dreamer's Blight, which is like a really rare reborn I can't get. But yeah, guys, that is all the superstitious. There are a few more in the changelog for some reason, but you actually can't get them yet. Vulcan's Wrath is one of them. Tyrant's Throne is one of them. The Death Cap is one of them. There's a few that you can't get yet, which I don't even know why they're in the changelog. But yeah, guys, that'll be the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. Check out the description for my Discord, fan shirts, all that fun stuff down there. But that is everything. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Peace.